Let's introduce a VNCI J2534 Ford Mazda diagnostic interface. This Ford and Mazda diagnostic interface supports the latest IDS software. The current video recording IDS software version is V129.09. VNCI J2534 Ford Mazda supports two modes. One is J2534 pass-through mode. The other is ELM327 mode. J2534 mode is compatible with Ford IDS software, FDRS software, Mazda IDS software, Jaguar Land Rover SDD software, Toyota TAS software, Volvo Vita software, PCM Flash, and others J2534 software. And there's another ELM327 mode that can be switched by the button near the USB. VNCI J2534 Ford Mazda diagnostic interface. The price is relatively affordable. The cost performance is high. The programming speed is relatively fast. Most modules can complete the programming operation within 5 minutes. The communication is very stable, and the programming process will not be interrupted. VNCI J2534 can basically support 98% of Ford Mazda models, support J1850 PWM protocol, and can be used for Ford Mazda models of before 2006 year. We also have a warranty policy, free replacement for unnatural damage within 1 year, free upgrade of synchronous official software, and free technical support. Support online function. We also provide online programming service, but online programming service is a paid service. Next, let's talk about how to install VNCI J2534 Ford software or Mazda software. The system requirement for IDS installation must be Win 10 system. First of all, we need to install the Java operating environment, because the operation of IDS software depends on the Java operating environment. If there is no Java operating environment, the IDS software cannot be started. Now let's install the Java operating environment. Double-click the javassetup.exe application, click Install and wait for a while. Secondly, you need to install the VCI_software.exe software. This software is the IDS driver software. This software must be installed. Whether you install the Ford IDS software or the Mazda IDS software, now let's install the VCI_software.exe IDS driver software. This process will take about 2 minutes. By the way, Ford IDS software and Mazda IDS software cannot be installed on the same system at the same time, because the two software will conflict with each other, and it does not matter whether it is Ford IDS software or Mazda IDS software. This is the loader for Ford IDS software, and this is the loader for Mazda IDS software. After installing the Ford IDS software or Mazda IDS software, you need to install the corresponding loader. That is, you need to install the IDS software loader when you install the Ford IDS software, and you need to install the Mazda software loader when you install the Mazda software. The VCI_software.exe software has been installed. Just click Finish. After installing the VCA_software.exe software, we will install the Ford IDS software, or Mazda IDS software. IDS_129.1_full.exe is the installation package, and the following IDS 129.09.exe is the upgrade package. It can be installed by default directly, no additional settings are required. This can be ignored. It will remind you that the computer needs to be restarted after installing the IDS software. It is installed by default, and you have to click Next. Here you are prompted to update the VCI_software.exe software, because the version of the VCI_software we follow is relatively low. The new version of VCI_software can be downloaded according to the address specified in the prompt. This is the download address, we ignore it now. Okay, the IDS software has been installed. Let's restart the computer now.